How to use 11 Labs for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use 11 Labs for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser and search for 11 Labs. After you find 11 Labs, open up its website. You can directly head over to 11labs.io as well. And after you do that, here you'll get an option that says try for free. So tap on try for free. And after you tap on try for free, you will have to sign up. So just wait till you get to the prompted page. And now you can sign up with your Google. It's really easy to do that. So sign up with your Google. And here, select your account. Let's do that. And while we do this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's log in now, and there we go. So this is what the homepage for 11 Labs looks like. And as it says right here, 11 Labs is really a cool AI which can convert your text to a speech, that is AI speech. And yeah, you can also use it as a voice changer. Now here you can head over to text to speech. On the left bar here, sidebar, you will see different features provided by the 11 Labs, and here you can simply start typing whatever you want and you can simply get started. Now it will convert your text to a speech, and here you can see what you want. You can make the speed, you can toggle on the speed, you can also make your stability more more stable, less stable, your similarity, your style exaggeration, and stuff like that. Here you can type whatever you want, and yeah, you can basically start talking. There's also a voice changer feature here. They can tap on voice changer, which you can simply drop an audio file or a video file, and after that it will just change its audio, I mean its voice, and give you back the file. There are also sound effects which you can use. And yeah, there are a lot of different things as you can see. Now you can describe a sound and it will just provide you with a sound effect. And there are a lot of different tools available still here and you can use that. And that's basically how you can use 11 Labs. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.